Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Lemon herb chicken recipe, a flavorful, healthy favorite for every occasion. If you're looking for a dish that's both flavorful and nutritious, lemon herb chicken is a standout choice. Loved for its vibrant taste and tender texture, this classic recipe pairs the zesty brightness of lemon with the earthy warmth of fresh herbs. Its origins are rooted in simple, wholesome cooking, making it a go-to option for home cooks worldwide. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or serving guests, its versatility and balance of flavors never disappoint. Plus, with lean protein and fresh ingredients, it's as healthy as it is delicious. Ingredients: building the perfect lemon herb chicken. When it comes to creating the perfect lemon herb chicken, every ingredient plays a role in delivering that mouth-watering flavor. From the chicken itself to the herbs, spices, and optional add-ins, thoughtful ingredient selection is key. Let's break it down step by step. Choosing the right chicken. Not all chicken is created equal, and the kind you choose can make or break this dish. Here's what to consider. Fresh chicken. Fresh, high-quality chicken is ideal for achieving the juiciest texture. Frozen chicken can work in a pinch, but it may hold excess water, which could affect the marinade's absorption. Organic versus non-organic. Organic chicken usually has better flavor because it's raised without antibiotics or artificial additives. If budget allows, going organic makes a noticeable difference. Best cuts for flavor and ease. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Great for those who prefer leaner cuts. Chicken thighs. Packed with flavor and juicier than breasts, thighs work wonderfully when grilled or baked. Bone-in options. Bone-in breasts or thighs add depth to the flavor but require longer cooking. Pick what works for your meal plan, but keep freshness and quality as your top priorities. Essential herbs and spices. The magic of lemon herb chicken lies in the herb blend. Each one contributes something unique, creating a harmonious flavor that's hard to resist. Herbs. Rosemary. Adds a woodsy, slightly pine-like aroma. Thyme. Offers subtle earthiness that pairs beautifully with lemon. Parsley. Brightens the flavors with its mildly peppery taste and vibrant color. Don't be afraid to mix fresh and dried versions if that's what you have on hand. Spices. Garlic. Whether fresh, minced, or powdered, garlic brings depth and a warm aroma. Black pepper. Enhances every ingredient with subtle sharpness. Salt. Critical for seasoning and pulling all the flavors together. A simple seasoning blend can enhance the dish without overpowering the hero ingredients. The role of lemon in the recipe. Lemon isn't just a flavor booster in this recipe, it's a multitasker. Tanginess. Lemon juice and zest add that unmistakable citrus zing that brightens the chicken and herbs. Tenderizes the meat. Thanks to its natural acidity, lemon juice helps break down the fibers in chicken, ensuring a soft, juicy bite. Balances flavors. The citrus provides a counterbalance to heavier seasonings like garlic, keeping everything light and refreshing. Remember, a little lemon goes a long way. Over-marinating can overpower the dish or toughen the meat, so stick to recommended times. Optional add-ins for personalization. Want to customize your lemon herb chicken? Here are a few ideas to elevate the dish based on your tastes. Smoked paprika adds a smoky, slightly sweet depth to the marinade. Chili flakes, a great choice for those who like a touch of heat. Honey balances the tanginess with a little sweetness. Perfect for roasting. Coconut milk for a creamy texture and tropical twist. Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle some for an extra savory finish after baking. These options let you experiment and make the recipe your own while staying true to its core flavors. With just a bit of creativity, every bite of this dish can be tailored to feel like it was made to match your preferences exactly. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Cooking lemon herb chicken is simple when you break it down into manageable steps. From prepping the chicken to adding those final garnishes, each stage is an opportunity to build flavor and ensure a dish that's perfectly juicy and delicious. Follow this guide for success every time. Preparing the chicken. The key to great lemon herb chicken starts with how you prepare the chicken itself. Proper prep ensures the marinade absorbs deeply and the meat cooks evenly. Clean the chicken. Rinse the chicken briefly under cold water and pat it completely dry with paper towels. Wet chicken won't absorb marinade as well and can create steam while cooking, which hinders browning. Trim excess fat. Use a sharp knife or kitchen shears to remove any visible fat or skin if you're working with skinless cuts. For bone-in cuts, trimming large pieces of fat will help avoid unwanted grease during cooking. Even out thickness. For breasts, place them between two pieces of plastic wrap and pound them gently with a meat mallet or rolling pin until they're an even thickness. This helps them cook more evenly and avoids dry or undercooked sections. Making the marinade. The marinade is where the magic happens. It infuses the chicken with vibrant flavors while tenderizing the meat. It's quick to make, but the right balance of ingredients is essential. What you'll need: fresh lemon juice and zest, about 2 lemons. Olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Minced garlic, about 3 cloves. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley, roughly chopped, about 2 tablespoons each. Salt and pepper, to taste. Here's how to make it. Combine all the ingredients in a small bowl or resealable bag. Whisk them together or shake the bag to ensure everything blends evenly. Place the prepared chicken in the marinade, making sure each piece is fully coated. Seal the bag, or cover the bowl, and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Don't marinate for longer than 2 hours, as the acidity from the lemon can start to break down the meat too much, making it mushy. Cooking techniques: oven, stovetop, or grill. How you cook your lemon herb chicken can change the final result. Choose the method that suits your equipment and preference. Here's how to nail it every time. oven-baked lemon herb chicken. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange the marinated chicken on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or in a lightly greased baking dish. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes for boneless cuts or 35 to 40 minutes for bone-in chicken, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Pro tip: broil the chicken for the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking to get a lightly browned, caramelized finish. Stovetop lemon herb chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken, ensuring there's enough space to prevent overcrowding. Sear for 4 to 5 minutes per side, lowering the heat to medium-low after the initial sear. Cover the pan slightly to lock in moisture and cook until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Pro tip: deglaze the pan with a splash of chicken broth or white wine at the end to create an extra layer of flavor. Grilled lemon herb chicken. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side for boneless cuts or 10 to 12 minutes per side for bone-in portions. Flip once for perfect grill marks and ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Pro tip: make sure you let the chicken rest in the marinade at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before grilling so it cooks evenly. Finishing touches. The final steps elevate your lemon herb chicken from good to great. Don't skip these small but impactful details. Rest the chicken. Let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Cutting too soon can cause those juices to spill out and leave the meat dry. Garnish for extra flavor. Sprinkle freshly chopped parsley or thyme over the chicken for a pop of color and an extra hint of herbaceous flavor. For added brightness, add a few lemon slices or a light drizzle of fresh lemon juice on top just before serving. By following these steps, you'll have perfectly balanced lemon herb chicken that's bursting with flavor and ready to impress at the table. That's it for part 1 of our lemon herb chicken recipe. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish cooking and serve this tasty dish. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.